Hello and welcome back to another video about how to get a driving license in the United States. And being an international student, what are the steps you have to follow in order to get a driving license and drive a car in the roads of Texas or in US? So the first thing first, you have to have your documents ready before you book an appointment with the Department of Public Safety, and you need following documents for the requirement to drive a car or to get a driving license. And you need 5 or 6 documents based on what visa you are. If you are on a student visa, you need a passport, you need a valid visa, you need a I-20 which is issued by the school, and you need a I-94 which you can download after you come to United States as a proof that you came here legally. And the another document you need is a social security number, which is you get it after they authorize you for employment. And 2 other documents you need is a document that shows your residence here, because you need a email address to send you the documents. So you need basically 2 proof of residence. That could be anything depending on your electricity bill. It could be a bank statement or any bill that shows that you have a residence here, and you need true proof of residence to show them that you are staying here in Texas. The other thing you need is to book an appointment with them. So you need to visit their website. If you are staying in Texas, they have a website called DPS, which is Department of Public Safety, and each state or city has 1 or 2 DPS over there. So you need to book an appointment with them before you visit them, because sometimes they do not accept offline people. So you need an appointment before you get there. So once you get there, they will ask you whether you have already taken an online test or no, because you have to appear in one of the online tests they organize in order to understand whether you know driving, whether you know the basics, so that you can drive on the roads. And also, if you don't have the online test, you have to appear in an offline test which is conducted by them itself in their office. So you need to go and take that test, and once you pass the test, you have 3 attempts to pass that test. And once you pass them, you will get a temporary license, which is learner's permit. And after that, you can drive with someone having a valid driving license by your side. So in passenger seat, you need someone to be there to guide you through all the paths and make sure you are driving safely. Okay, so you need to have someone who has a valid driving license in order to drive even with a permit license. So try not to drive without having someone in your passenger seat, otherwise you can get in trouble if cops pull over. So the third thing is, once you know how to drive and learn driving, then you can go and take the road test, and there are officers who can take your test. I think you have 3 chances to pass that. Once you pass those tests, you are ready to go, and you will have your driving license within a week to your email address. So these are the requirements. You need to have a driving license, those documents, you need to have an appointment, you need those proof of residence, and after you get your learner's permit, you have 3 chances to pass them, and that's it. That's everything you need to have a driving license. And of course, they do a vision test and all. Like once you go there and they have your fingerprints, they'll give you a form to fill all those information, emergency contacts and all. But yeah, this is a regular process they use to provide driving license to the international students. One more important thing is, they will give you a license for 1 year at a time, because we are international students, and they renew your license after 1 year, and it goes on. Okay, so generally they give license for 5 years, I don't know, but for international students they give license for 1 year, and then they renew it once you need it. Okay, so yeah, this is all you need to know, and I'll make another video to to show you how I learned driving after coming to the United States, because I didn't know how to drive a car before I came here. I drove a little bit, but I didn't know much about it. So the rules and everything has changed after coming here, but I learned driving staying here in the United States after coming here. So I'll make another video to show that how I learned driving in States. And that's for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a safe driving.